this beautiful piece from Crimson Luxury Lawn by Saira Shakira. Let's see how the suit looks. Here we have beautiful cut work side panels for the shirt. You can check out the embroidery quality, the embossing. It's very pretty, very thick, very beautiful. Check out the cut work here and the finishing done by the brand. It's super amazing. Here we have the second side panel, same design. This we have a patch which includes this beautiful circle motif, and here we have this bunny work for the neckline, and the embroidery, you can see it looks so rich and so elegant. This is the second neckline as shown in the picture. Here we have the motif for the back with full embroidery. This is the center panel of the shirt front with beautiful embroidery and cut work. You can check out the finishing over here. Beautiful designing done by Crimson as always. They have kept their work up to the mark. Here we have the bottom. This is the extra lace for the shirt sides. Next we have this lace, cut work lace for the daman of the shirt, or you can use this on your bottoms or on sleeves, anywhere you would like to. Here we have the dupatta. It's a woven net dupatta with sides are embroidered. You can check the finishing of the embroidery here. Super amazing, colorful. The fabric is so soft and smooth, perfect for summers. The embroidery is done on both the sides. This is the extra fabric for the back, and here we have this beautiful pallu attachments for the dupatta. Check out the colorful embroidery done on it, which will enhance the look of the entire suit, because the whole suit is blue, and with the vibrant yellow touch with it will give a very nice and a pop to the suit itself. Very beautiful piece by the Crimson. It's a luxury lawn collection by Saira Shakira, and the design is Jewel by the Beach Sapphire. Hope you like it. Do share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.